Good job.
Three minutes.
3 minutes. 15 seconds done. Good job, Anthony. Good job, buddy. 30 down. 2.5 to go. That's it. Good job, Anthony. Looking strong. Looking strong. Good job, buddy. Good job. 1 down. 2 to go. 1 down, 2 to go. Keep it up. Keep it going on. Keep it up. You're doing great. That's it. Good job. Good job. Come on. You can do it. Sit up for me. Take this, okay? Grab it. Now, buddy. Come on. Come on. Turn that pedal over. Come on. Good job, Anthony. Good job. Looking good, buddy. Looking good. Come on. That's it. Come on. You're doing great. Good job, Anthony. Come on, Anthony. Work hard, buddy. Work hard. You only got a minute to go. 1 to go. Come on. Your legs go faster than that. Come on. Good job. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Good job, Anthony. Good job. Come on. 45 seconds. You can do it. Good job, Anthony. You're doing great, buddy. You're doing great. Come on. All the way through the line. Push it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Come on. You got to work hard for the win. You got to push the pedal. Come on. Come on. That's it. Good job, Anthony. Good job. 15 seconds. Work hard for 15 seconds. You can do it. Push yourself. Come on, buddy. 10 to go. Come on. All the way through the line. Push, 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 push. Come on. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job.